Welcome to Texas Retired. Today we'll be touring the Moorlands floor plan from Titan Mobile Homes. This is a 1,644 square foot, 42 foot by 53 foot quad mobile home. It's got a nice porch out front. This is 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. This first section is actually made up of 2 sections. Very nice flowing living room with an accent wall, faux beam ceiling, nice large island in the kitchen, great windows and cabinets. This mobile home, I believe, is tape and textured the entire um, vents in the ceiling. Bright and open, lots of windows, great backsplash, sink. Off the back of the kitchen, there is the laundry room, very large, and a half bath size. Also off the back of the living and kitchen area is the master bedroom. Round molding, tape textured walls, ceiling fan, vents in the ceiling, large master closet. Like the fact that they have wooden shelves with the wooden clothes hanger rod instead of the wire ones that you see in a lot of mobile homes. Not the largest master bedroom, but very nice, very comfortable. Going into the master bath, we have some storage on the left, a large vanity with dual sinks and dual lighted mirrors, standalone tub. Around the corner, we have a toilet area, storage above. And as we exit on the left, there's a nice walk-in shower. Really love the tile. Back in the main area, walking into the middle section, which will be the third section of the quad. A lot of nice windows on the front of the mobile home. Let's see, ceiling fan, round molding, sliding glass door in the back. You have dual barn doors for separating the two living areas. Going into the last of the quad sections, into the second bedroom. Very nice size. Round molding, textured walls, ceiling fan. Nice closet. Again with the wooden shelf and the wood clothes hanging rod. The second and third bedroom have a Jack and Jill bathroom in between. A large counter area with a sink and a large mirror. connecting section. Then there is a separate area for the toilet and shower. We have a single piece tub shower combo with a transom window above. Then moving into the third bedroom. Tape and textured walls. Little windows, ceiling fan, nice size. Again, a decent closet with the wood shelf and the wood rod. This house really flows nicely. It doesn't have that mobile home feel to it. It's a nice little deck on the back of the mobile home. This really has a nice feel to it. Very open and airy and bright. To me, it's a happy place. It's very nice layout. So hope y'all have enjoyed the tour today. Please like, share, and subscribe.